puisque kuna côté na biso kuna kapele ba yebisa biso ke béton o bazo tia ndenge bazo tia awa na avenue B na boulevard Lumumba ba bike e ko sala vraiment 50 ans béton e ko mela mingi mosali o bazo sala exactement mosali moko kitoko vraiment bato bazo ko admirer même bien bato bazana mikili ya poto mikili ya Afrique RDC mosali o bazo sala eza pona Kinshasa yango moko te bazo sala yango pona RDC mobimba 5 chantier oyo bakosaka biso na régime wana.
Climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, and fell apart south of Salt Lake. Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change, but I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. Swam the beaches on the west coast, climbed the trees of Caroline. I felt the city streets of Boston underneath my feet, heard the sound of subways down the line. Walked the lakesides of Wisconsin and bathed in springs of Idaho. I could use a day or two, or even just an afternoon, getting myself lost in Chicago. Maybe I'm homesick for it all, 'cause I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I wanna home. 'Cause I have traveled across this country wide, and I feel there must be something more to find. I miss those mountains in Montana. I've wandered long enough to know how good a good thing was. I feel it more the further that I get. So the wheels are pointed west, till I know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time, miss me when I go. I'll find reasons to stay and someone to take up my time. I wish I could leave my skin behind in this old rented room, float my way across the great divide and be buried in you. I've been looking far and wide for what I gotta prove, and putting peaks in my rear view. Well, it's colder here than anyone told me the South could get, and I took to staying up real late and smoking cigarettes. The cheap tobacco burns the way that bridge between us did, and I'm left looking at the glowing ends. But am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great divide. I wish I could take the hands of time and turn them in reverse. I'd take back every long goodbye with venom in my words. The only way to being found is getting lost at first, but all I find are more bridges to burn. So am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great divide. Well, the highway has a way of playing tricks on tired eyes. I swear that I see you riding shotgun late at night. Seems that you're the only thing that never leaves my mind, the only thing worth getting right. So am I too far gone? 'Cause I'm running home. If only in my mind I am somewhere across that great divide. I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, fell apart south of Salt Lake. Colorado calls to me, and Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change, but I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall. I'd swim the beaches on the west coast, climb the trees of Caroline. I felt the city streets of Boston underneath my feet, heard the sound of subways down the line, walked the lakesides of Wisconsin, and bathed in springs of Idaho. I could use a day or two, or even just an afternoon, getting myself lost in Chicago. Maybe I'm homesick for it all, 'cause I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I wanna home, 'cause I have traveled across this country wide, and I feel there must be something more to find. I miss those mountains in Montana. I've wandered long enough to know how good a good thing was. I feel it more the further that I get. So the wheels are pointed west, till I know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time, miss me when I go. I'll find reasons to stay and someone to take up my time. Then I'm not gonna go when I get home. I'm going home. I wish I could leave my skin behind in this old rented room, float my way across the great divide and be buried in you. I've been looking far and wide for what I gotta prove, and putting peaks in my rear view. Well, it's colder here than anyone told me the South could get, and I took to staying up real late and smoking cigarettes. The cheap tobacco burns the way that bridge between us did, and I'm left looking at the glowing ends. But am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great divide. I swear that I see you riding shotgun late at night. Seems that you're the only thing that never leaves my mind. The only thing worth getting right. So am I too far gone? 'Cause I'm running home. If only in my mind I am somewhere across that great divide. I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, and fell apart south of Salt Lake. Colorado calls to me, and Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change, but I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I've swam the beaches on the west coast, climbed the trees of Caroline. I felt the city streets of Boston underneath my feet, heard the sound of subways down the line, walked the lakesides of Wisconsin, and bathed in springs of Idaho. I could use a day or two, or even just an afternoon, getting myself lost in Chicago. Maybe I'm homesick for it all, 'cause I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I wanna home. 'Cause I have traveled across this country wide, and I feel there must be something more to find. I miss those mountains in Montana.
L'improviste comme
Voilà,
ça.
bonjour.
Bonjour papa.
Comment on a dit?
Bon, comment on a eu monsieur Balanganaï Kamba Bali.
Par président,
Balanganaï Kamba Bali.
président Kamba. Comment on a musani usama na kati ya Beni Mombele en prince Lumumba et teke moyimbo ka Congo. Yo ça on ndenge comment on a nzani musani.
Bon, papa journaliste, mosali oyo bazosala eza kaka awa pamba te. Mosali oyo société oyo ya GMC ebandaki vraiment banda kala. gouvernement nde ezwaki société mpona bazosala mosala na bango kitoko. Bon, tomoni misala ndenge basaki na Bongolo, choisi de Kimwenza na avenue Bongolo. Bon, basali côté ya Maître Toro na choisi de Kimwenza. Basali pe kuna likolo côté ya Ezo. Bon, ndenge tozobenga ke fachi beton, eza fachi beton ya solo. Puisque tant tozaki na régime mosusu elekaki, babanda osala mosala ya boyete. Mais mosala oyo c'est surtout place oyo ya boulevard Lumumba awa na Mombela na avenue entre avenue B, mosala oyo ezaki vraiment négligé na régime oyo elekaki. Mais régime oyo remplaçaki oyo ya kala, tomoni bazosala mosala vraiment ya kitoko makasi bazoko apprécier na bato. Bon, kuna na moni vraiment basali ba mabende basali nat mabende wana eza mpona bakanga place oyo des années bakipaka place oyo te. Na moni vraiment ke ndenge bakotia mabende wana batie vraiment sikoyo
économie sur bassin tout le monde va y marquer le lieu au sein de l'autre côté le bana bato wana nini o baza libana mboka be au sein de l'autre côté biso moto la ba témoin na kisa ça impression na ona ba ba bi gazo ça le côté na.
Bon, merci beaucoup papa pour na ndengo toto na ngai question wana. Moto oyo azodima misali oyo bazosala na gouvernement en place azosala mosala na ye vraiment eza na commentaire ya kosala te. Mosala ezosala vraiment très bien. Bandongola miso oyo balinga kondima misali oyo ezosala mate baza vraiment bandoki. Puisque Congo oyo ezaki vraiment négligé. Mais depuis Félix azui pouvoir en tant qu'azamwa na mboka azobongisa vraiment Congo. Batika le vraiment temps même ndenge to comme na fin ya mandat oyo to continuer vraiment deuxième mandat na ye na kansi vraiment ke a travailler koleka oyo azoko sala.
Vraiment mboka est-ce que ne basa musala o est-ce que ego créer sur ba cause très lointaine?
Ego
créer sur ba problème très lointaine. Ba problème
bon na musala bazosala. Bon, mosali bazosala na moni bazosala mosali ya malamu puisque kuna côté na biso kuna kapele ba yebisa biso ke beton oyo bazotia ndenge bazotia awa na avenue B na boulevard Lumumba ba dike ekosala vraiment 50 ans beton ekomela mingi mosali oyo bazosala eza vraiment mosali moko kitoko vraiment bato nyonso bazoko admirer même bino bato baza na mikili ya poto mikili ya Afrique RDC mosali oyo bazosala eza mpona Kinshasa yango moko te bazosala yango mpona RDC mobimba 5 chantier oyo bakosaka biso na régime wana 5 chantier véritable 5 chantier yango oyo bazosala presque eza mpona ville ya Kinshasa te eza mpona RDC mobimba mosali eza kitoko makasi tozoko admirer yango RDC.
C'est la même qualité beton ezali plus de 50 ans.
Oui, beton wana bakosala yango dire plus de 50 ans. Ingénieur na yengoko responsable ya société oyo yalobi vraiment ke ekosala vraiment 50 ans ou au-delà de 50 ans.
Merci beaucoup.
Ok, merci beaucoup.